I think it's pertinent that we start with body-worn camera. No disrespect, Nick. People know about Wave. Maybe they're not quite sure on body-worn at the moment. So, I mean, James, you've got a couple of devices that are on the table here. Care to explain?
Let me quickly run through them. So at the moment in the UK portfolio, we've got 4 cameras. So we have our entry point camera, that's the VT100. Nice straightforward little camera. It's ideal for sort of the retail space. Up to 3 hours of recording. Very straightforward with Wi-Fi capability on board as well. And then our newest camera, which is this one in bright yellow, it does come in black as the main colour, but we've got yellow today, is the V200. The main extra functionality on this camera is it's aimed, again, enterprise retail, but it has the ability to record up to 9 hours of video. It also has a feature called Go Live Audio, which in simple terms is a request for help. So if someone presses the button on the side, it alerts on the back-end software to say someone has a problem, and you can communicate through the camera, through its microphone and speaker, to ask for help. So that's a nice little rugged camera. And then our sort of day-to-day, the VB400, which is a very solid camera, 12 hours of recording. This is aimed very much at main security and policing as an example. This has similar features. It has Bluetooth on board as well, which means it can pair with radios. So if someone presses an SOS on a Motorola radio, it will trigger the camera. It also has GPS on board, and also the ability, as do the other cameras, to stream over Wi-Fi. And then the last camera is the V500, and that camera does everything the VB400 does, 12 hours, Bluetooth, etc., but has the capability of LTE and 4G, so it allows somebody in a remote site to work away. And that's basically the hardware side of things.